In order to remove SIM card from a Realme GT 7T, first of all, we need to prepare the eject tool that you can find inside the box. Then, at the bottom of the phone, over here, we have the SIM tray where we have our SIM card or SIM cards. And we need to insert the eject tool into this hole over here, and then push it down, use a little bit of force, so that the SIM tray pops out slightly. There we go. Once you do that, you need to use your fingernails or finger in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone with your SIM cards. And of course, over here we have our SIM cards. In order to remove them, you might want to try to push it from one of these sides over here. However, it might not be possible. So if you cannot do that, you can try to slightly bend the SIM tray. Of course, just slightly with a little bit of force so that you don't break it. And then the SIM cards should slightly stick out. So you can do something like this. And then it should go out pretty easily. And let's do the same thing. You might also have sticky fingers, so this can be quite helpful as well. And there we go. Of course, remember to insert the SIM tray back into the phone like so. Make sure that it is fully back in, fully inserted. So, thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.